morning, good morning, good morning. It's Mike here. Hope you're having a great day or night. It's gonna be a hot one here today in Arizona. It's supposed to be like 115 or something crazy. Just been really busy lately, guys. Listing items, shipping items, just doing what resellers do. I got the urge today to kind of go out, cruise around, check out some cool spots. Maybe hit up a couple thrift stores. I gotta hit up the grocery store because I need some foods. So today will be a little bit of an adventure. I'll also show you guys what's sold recently. Again, I want to thank all of you guys that follow me here on the Global Voodoo channel. Really super appreciate it. You know, there was a time when I had 5 subscribers and now it's like 40,000. That's pretty nuts. So thank all of you guys for watching and staying tuned to the journey. You know, it's an interesting journey, I'll tell you that. You know, reselling, it's doable. You know, don't let people say to you reselling doesn't work, or don't listen to the naysayers. As long as you're willing to put in the time and the effort and you find the right items, you'd be amazed what you can do. So with that being said, let's see what we do today. We're approaching here on the right the Shoppers Barn swap meet. There's nobody there, and it appears to be open, but look at all that stuff. God bless these people for hanging out there. Look how freaking, I don't know how they do it, man. In this heat, I don't know how they do it. But I can't wait until it gets cooler so I can head back in there and hit up the swap meet stuff. I plan on doing a lot of that here in the future when it cools down. But right now I'm on the prowl for some profits at the thrift shops. I'm gonna head out there and see if we can find any wheels, deals, and steals. I figure with it being so hot today that the Salvation Army here would be a little slow, which that's not the case. It's not slam packed, but I'm hoping that people are skipping on the heat so I can go in here and skip on some profits, man. Let's go check it out. All right, pretty slim pickings in there. I just got a message on an offer up about a video game system I was interested in buying, so I'm gonna head over there and then we'll head up one more thrift shop. All right, so this morning I saw somebody had some video game system out there, an Xbox 360, I believe, in some games. And, excuse me, he had it up for like $45 on an offer up. So then I was just kind of looking at going, oh, that's too much, there's not much room for margin on there. And then I was looking through Facebook Marketplace and he put like 35. So I said, well, would you take 30? And he goes, well, I got somebody coming right now and I'll let you know if they don't show up, but I'll take 30 for it all. And I said, okay. So when I was just in Salvation Army, he's like, yeah, the guy didn't show up, so you want to come by? So I'm gonna head over there right now. Temperatures right now, it's 117, guys. It's ridiculous. Thank God for these Polar Pops. It's hot. We're under a heat wave here for the next 3 days. So I'm gonna cruise over here and we'll see if we can make a deal. One little tip when you go out and do these little things is definitely ask if they have more games or anything else for sale. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, it's right here. There's a lot of cars here. Yeah, they got a Beamer too. All right, let's go check it out. Oh my God, it's really hot. Got the goodies though. All right, that worked out pretty well. He's like, yeah, I just don't play anymore. I said, all right, I'll take it. So I'll show you guys what I picked up here when I get back. Just got another message. I've got a wheelbarrow up for sale on Facebook that came out of a store, came out of an estate buy. And I got to meet with this guy here in the next hour, so I'm gonna try to swing back to Goodwill. I want to run in there real quick. I got to grab some shrimp or something for whatever we're having for dinner. Then there's another guy that is, he's got some Wii U games that he's trying to get rid of, and about an hour and a half ago, he was like, well, yeah, I'm not home. I said, okay, well, let me know when you get home, and we'll meet up, and we'll work on a deal. So, hopefully that pans out as well. But I gotta tell you something, guys. It is freaking warm. Warm here. So, hopefully the Goodwill can cool down or keep up the hot profits, man. I need some hot profits. Okay, Goodwill, I'm counting on you today. Make it worth my time running out here, because it's a hot one, man. That is for sure. Hot, hot, hot. Let's go see what Goodwill has to offer. Just got out of the Goodwill there, and slim pickings. I did pick up a couple things, nothing too crazy, but I had to wait in line for 30 minutes because a guy had a pill bottle filled with like dollars rolled up. The guy was strange, but it took him like 10 minutes to go through there to find $2.23. I'm like, dude. Anyway, it's hot, and I gotta get into some AC. I gotta freaking just get out of this heat. It's too crazy. So I'm driving Maddie's Maserati here today, since she's out of town. Just joking. But just so you guys, look at the temperature in the top left corner. 118 degrees out. Ouch. Hot mama. All right, I'm here in Casa Grande, and I wanted to show you guys a photo I found online of the old cruise trading post. Which is right there, and this is the exact spot, give or take, to where that photograph was taken. And that building used to be right here. I don't know if the fire took it down or if they dismantled it, but you can tell in the photograph that that's the building, the cruise trading post. And the distance on the left-hand side of the photo, you can see that building there. So pretty cool, old part of Casa Grande. That was the old, on the other side of that container there, was one of the old rail yards or railroads. Just pretty much nothing out here. Pretty much quiet, nothing going on, no Action Jackson. It's just small town living. Pretty crazy, but that is the original building with the original facade. Love finding the old photographs and then driving around and finding the original buildings. They're still existing. Each building has a story. Pretty cool. All right, just met with the guy for this wheelbarrow. This came from an estate buy. Might have had a couple bucks in it. I did replace a tire. I spent $4 and some change at Harbor Freight for this tire, because the tire that originally came on it was pretty chewed up. It had some wear in it, but it had no holes. So the wheelbarrows, you know, look them up. They brand new. They're, you know, ones like this, they're $100. So I figured, you know what, 35 bucks. Threw it up on the local scene, and a couple just came over here. Actually, they were just my neighbors. They lived about 3 or 4 houses down, and had me $35, so I'm a happy camper. All right, just got back home. I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up here. This was all out of that Goodwill. Spent a total of $12. Got this DVD here, Sacred Cows of Money. It's a Kiyosaki. It's not worth very much. I figured I'd just watch it. Martin Lawrence, You So Crazy. It's a great movie, or great comedy special. Keep that one. I haven't seen this one here, but I'll end up selling it because it's worth some money. Elvis, The Final Chapter. The Selena will sell. These are sealed. Chasers. Walmart one. I think this is like $35 on Amazon. Body Doubles about $28 or $30 on Amazon, but it was $3 at one point at Big Lots. And then I got this book here. This is the complete book of BMW every model since 1950 hardcover. Really nice book, in great shape. Kind of all over the place with this one I saw online, but there was one lowballer I saw on eBay with it that was like asking $12 for it. So I was like, whoa. I didn't scan this yet for Amazon, but I don't know. These books they're desirable, that's for sure. It's a nice little coffee table book. And then here I spent $30 for this Xbox 360 that I got off that guy on OfferUp. So we've got, let's do this first here. We got a system here. We got this looks like a generic headset, 2 controllers. We got this was the platinum one or gray one maybe. All the power cords are here. He says it's working, so obviously I kind of take his word for it. He was a clean-cut kid, but we're going to test it and do all that before we sell it. This is an OEM Xbox 360 remote. So in the part, we're going to part a lot of this out and just have the main system we'll sell. The games here, we've got Sims 3. That's, I don't know, like $5-6. Garden Warfare, again, nothing crazy. These are pretty nice. The Viva Pinata. Look these up on Amazon. They do pretty well. There's that one there, and then there's Viva Pinata Trouble in Paradise. And then Thrillville. I think that's a $12 game. And Minecraft, $7-8, give or take. So kind of dry, slim pickings here today. I'm waiting for a guy to get back to me, a couple guys to get back to me and offer up on some video game buys, but I haven't heard from them as of late. But yeah, it was hot out there, and the thrift stores were definitely rough out there, that's for sure. Let's look at what's sold here recently on eBay. We've got this vinyl record that might have a nickel in. It's a Far East Fantasy Latin Dance Rhythm 49th State Hawaii vinyl LP record. This sold for $28.95 plus $3.62 for a total of $32.57 shipped. I paid $5 for this at Bookman's, oh gosh, probably a year and a half ago. And it sat on one of my other eBay accounts forever. And just recently closed that eBay account down and transferred some listings over to this other eBay account. This is a 1991 Chef 10 Nightmare VHS vintage board game with box. It was brand new and sealed. This sold on best offer for $78.81, shipped. Not too bad. This came out of that ridiculous DVD haul I picked up at a garage sale some time ago. It's a 16-ton Monty Python Mega Set DVD from 2005. 16-disc set complete. And this sold for $61.38, shipped. This came out of a storage unit I bought some time ago. Recently listed it and sold within about 4 days of me listing it. It's a Nike Diamond Ready Keystone KDR 1250. 12.5-inch leather RT, right throwing, baseball glove mitt. Sold for $24.95, shipped. I can't stress the fact with vinyl, you never know what sells. Obviously, you go after Grateful Dead's, Led Zeppelin's, all that good, big stuff. That stuff sells very well. But stuff like this, who would have thought, right? Eddie Murphy, How Could It Be from 1985, vinyl LP record. I've had this for a year on Etsy, and we're just doing some multi-channel fulfillment on different platforms these days with some of the vinyl records, and it went and sold overseas. $7.95 plus $3.62 shipping for a total of $11.57. Again, you got to be a low-cost producer when you're looking at these vinyl records, buying in bulk lots. A lot of these vinyl records I have 5 cents to a quarter in, so good profit margins on that, 25 cents to $11.57, minus shipping and fees, etc. Kind of beats looking at some of those Abercrombie shirts, right? Do they sell really quick for you? Maybe, maybe not. Same thing applies with records, guys. I mean, if you're staring at records at a garage sale or a flea market or a estate sale, you might want to look into them because they're very easy to ship, easy to store, and they move. I paid $25 for this Panhandle Slim men's purple pearl snap Western Cowboy shirt, size medium. $25 at a garage sale. I'm like, yeah, okay, I'll take it. Western wear is it's in demand, believe it or not. Certain brands do well. Certain brands are kind of mediocre. Obviously back 3-4 years ago, Panhandle Slim I could sell for $25-$30. Again, it depends on the look. This wasn't that. It's crazy looking, but I didn't think I can get more than $25 for it, and I was just happy it was gone. For a quarter investment, somebody in Missouri picked it up, and they seem like they're happy with the buy. This sold for $16.56, shipped. This came out of that storage unit where I picked up 2 units that one day. It was kind of a bunch of trash, and there was some that was kind of urban streetwear stuff. I originally sold this for a higher amount, and then the guy just never paid for it. And I just got tired of looking at it, honestly, even though it was up for like 3 weeks. The Sean John 69 collection Ski Division vintage retro heavy t-shirt, size 2 extra large. And I took an offer of $20 plus $7.25 shipping for a total of $27.25 shipped. I might have had a nickel in the shirt. This came out of that DVD haul. It's a Cosmos The Complete Collection DVD from 2002, 7-disc set. It was brand new and sealed and sold on sale for $41.46 shipped. And the last item I sold was on Etsy. This is a 1982 The Who concert vintage t-shirt. Not one of those repops, not one of those retro ones. Did take a while to sell. I paid $14 plus I think $3 or $4 shipping on this on eBay. I sniped it off there. It was a good sale, $96 plus $4 shipping for a total of a $100 bill. Way to go. So thanks for watching today's video. Again, I appreciate all of you guys that are the new subscribers and some of the older subscribers I've had here, the OGs. Appreciate all of you guys watching all the videos that I put out. Go out there and make it happen. If you're out here in Arizona, stay cool because it's going to be a heat wave. Go out there, be great. Till next time I'm out of here, peace. Vlog over. Over.